Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Les saluda su amiga Mika. Espero que disfruten el masaje relajante que me va a dar doña Lili. No se olviden de seguir nuestro canal ASMR y suscríbanse.
Un gusto encontrarnos nuevamente, saludándole a nuestros seguidores, a Pedro Pérez, a Nayara Cardoso, a Carlos Daniel Rodríguez, a Dani ASMR, a Samuel Martínez, a Tania García, agradeciéndoles de corazón por seguirnos. Esperamos que nos acompañen en este nuevo video. Un abrazo gigante a la distancia en diferentes rincones del mundo donde nos encontramos. Vamos a hacer este masaje relajante. Vamos a inhalar este aroma muy agradable, muy dulce, para abrir los canales de sanación, para armonizar la mente, el cuerpo, el espíritu. ¿Ya? Vamos a ponerlo de esta manera. Muy bien. Empezar con un masaje muy bonito en la parte de su cuellito, de su cabellito. Ya va a ir disfrutando, sintiendo. Vamos a hacer este masaje para descongestionar esos nervios que se encuentran un poco atrofiados por el estrés, por el cansancio, para ir canalizando nueva energía, nuevas vibras, toda la energía positiva. Se ve el masaje de la carita, de todo su rostro. Vamos a traer toda la belleza, toda la alegría, toda la armonía. Traer el amor a través de este espacio de sanación, de relax. También pidiendo al Gran Espíritu, Dios, que asista con su fuerza, con su poder, con su energía, para darle la sanación, para armonizar todo su cuerpo. Vamos a desconectar todos esos cinturones, esas venas atrofiadas, todos los nervios que están.
Yeah, I think it already moved. Oh, and there's the rest of it. That was something else. Oh. Wow. 1, 2.
Oh, there you go. I think I pop with my hands now.
Perfect. Little one, other side. This is the one that really needs it. Yeah, right there. Perfect.
That was the one.
Just like that. That's it. Other side. And then press back. Oh. Oh, little baby one. I'll wait for you. Ooh, there you go. There we go. All right. Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's a little pinchy.
Oh, yeah. That one was different.
Oh, snap. There you go. There's some cracks for the audience. Ow. He's pulling off my sock. Wow.
Chin back for me. Chin way back. Yeah, perfect.
I'm just being a wuss.
Oh, no you're not. This is, intense. Here we go. That wasn't bad, see?
That was awesome.
Chin back for me. Yep.
That was so cool.
That's all it's gonna go. Perfect. There it is. That's it. That's it. Good, 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 good. Oh no, it's cleared out most of it. There it is. That's it. Oh, there it goes. Perfect. That was a little freaky. Relax. Right here, relax here. Great. Let it all out. I knew where I was going. Oh, hey. That's a professional way. Wow. Perfect. Oh, move. Oh. Oh. Like that. Think thoughts over here. Perfect. Right here. Wow. Oh man. Deep breath in again. All the way. There it goes. Oh. There it is.
Oh, that felt good.
There it is. Good.
Are you gonna break it?
No.
Oh.
Yes. Good.
Relax. Oh.
Other side.
Oh. My hat. Should I take my hat off?
Yeah. Here we go again. I didn't get the right side.
Now people are gonna be scared.
There.
You got Cholo in your office.
There.
Oh.
All the way up.
Ah.
Again.
Can't breathe.
Good. That's the point. And out.
Ah.
You're sore all over from working hard. Lean back. Guess it's too much. Just gonna go.
Oh.
So I can use my weight. Here. Oh, there it goes. Perfect. Right here. There it is. Back up again. Woo! That one. Relax. There it is. I knew you had it in you. Okay. Definitely your loose side. Turn. Good. Oh. Perfect. She has a knot here.
Several.
One big one there.
No wonder I'm in pain.
There's that last one.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Good. Tightness over here on this side. More than the right.
That hurts.
Oh.
There's the rest.